In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase selling limit on eBay. If you've started selling on eBay and you've noticed that your account has a monthly selling limit, don't worry. This is a normal part of the platform, especially for newer sellers or accounts that are still building history. The good news is that eBay gives you a way to request a higher limit directly from your seller dashboard, and the process is very simple. To begin, go to eBay and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to increase your selling limit. Once you're on the main eBay page, move your cursor over the My eBay section. You don't need to click right away at first if the menu appears when you hover. This area gives you access to different account sections, including the tools related to buying, selling, and account activity. From that menu, click on Selling. This will take you to your seller overview page where you can manage listings, track performance, and review important account details. If you sell regularly, this page is worth getting familiar with because it's the main hub for your seller activity. After you're on the selling page, scroll down until you find the monthly limit section. This is the area that shows how many items or how much total value you're currently allowed to list each month. Take a moment here to review what's displayed so you understand your current limit before requesting an increase. This can help you know whether you're close to your cap or simply planning ahead for more inventory. Once you find that section, click on Request to list more. This is the option eBay provides when your account is eligible to ask for a higher selling allowance. After clicking it, follow any prompts that appear on the screen. In some cases, eBay may review your account automatically, and in others, it may ask for a bit more information before deciding. Just read each screen carefully and continue through the process. A helpful tip is to make sure your account is in good standing before making the request. Accounts with strong seller performance, completed sales, and reliable activity may have a better chance of getting approved for a higher limit. Also, if you don't see the request option right away, it may simply mean your account isn't eligible yet. So keep selling consistently and check back later. And that's it. That's how to increase your selling limit on eBay using the built-in request option from your seller dashboard.